My name is Asif Umer. Welcome to Asif Umer Science channel. Our today's activity is making green fire or dragon fire. This activity is only for the educational purpose. Don't try this activity at home. Here I have ethanol. If I will burn ethanol, safety first. The color was blue because ethanol is a very neat and clean fuel. But our activity is not burning ethanol. Our activity is making green fire or dragon fire. For this required things are ethanol, white powder, boric acid. I am going to put 1 spoon of boric acid in 100 ml ethanol. After mixing, our green fire solution is ready. Now again, if I will burn, safety first. You can see the color is green. Now we are doing more about green fire. I hope you like this activity. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.